Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this cool notification sending device. Basically it's a safety device. You can place it anywhere like in almirah, in a drawer or near your room door. So whenever someone comes into your room or try to open the drawer, you will get a notification on your phone no matter where you are. So let's get started. To make this project you will require a NodeMCU, a PIR sensor, a battery pack, a breadboard and obviously some jumper wires. Best Buy links for these items you will find in the description box. So this is the diagram we have to follow. Okay guys, as you can see I'm done with the connections. Now we have to upload the codes. So let's connect it to the computer. First of all, go to the blynk.cloud, then create and log in with your account. Now create a new template, name it motion detection, change the hardware to ESP8266 and click on done. Now go to events tab, click on add new events, again name it motion detection, click on critical, turn on these buttons and go to the notification tab. Follow these steps, then click on create and save it. Now click on the search icon, add new devices, then choose from templates, choose motion detection and click on create. Now copy these codes and open the Arduino sketch file. You will find it in the video description. Now delete the first 3 lines and paste the code we copied earlier. Write your Wi-Fi address and password and upload it. Okay, so we are done with the coding. Now download Blynk Cloud app on your smartphone and log in with the same account. And that's it, the project is ready. So as you can see guys, it's working very good. Now let's make this project more professional and convenient. So I designed this custom-made PCB. After creating the Gerber file, I go to GLC PCB for ordering the PCB boards. GLC PCB is the leading PCB prototype manufacturer. Beside PCB making stuff, they also started 3D printing services. If you don't have 3D printer, there is no issue. Just upload the 3D model files, select materials and audio 3D printed parts.
Hours later.
Alright guys, as you can see, this device is working very well. Now let's place it inside this cabinet and see if it actually works. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.